In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Notion full page. If you've ever felt like your Notion content looks a bit cramped or boxed in, switching to a full width view can make your workspace feel more open and readable, especially on larger screens. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along in just a moment. First, open the Notion website in your browser. You can also do this in the desktop app if that's what you prefer. The steps are exactly the same. Once Notion loads, navigate to the page you want to expand. This could be a notes page, a project hub, or any document you're working on. Make sure the page is fully open so you can see the options for that specific page. Now, look towards the top right corner of your Notion page. You'll see a small menu icon, often 3 dots, that opens the page settings and options. Click that, and a panel will appear with several choices. In that panel, find the toggle labeled Full Width. Turn that on. The moment you enable it, the content area expands to use the full width of your window, giving you more space for tables, galleries, and long text blocks. That's it. You've just made your Notion page full width. A quick note on what this actually does. Full width changes how the page content fits inside the window. It doesn't change your text size or layout structure. It simply removes the narrow column and lets your content stretch, which is great for databases, timelines, and wide images. If you work with multiple columns, you'll notice they breathe better on a full-width canvas. If you don't see the full-width toggle, try expanding your browser window, since some display options can hide on very narrow screens. Also keep in mind that full width applies per page, so you can choose which pages get the expanded layout and which stay in the default view. This gives you control over how each workspace feels, depending on the type of content. Finally, remember that full width is different from full screen. Full width is about the page's layout inside Notion, while full screen removes distractions around the app. Use full width when you want more room for content. Use full screen when you want a cleaner view, but you don't need to do anything extra for that here. And that's all you need to make your Notion page full width quickly and confidently.